not a socialist. Capitalism, socialism, causing schism and division in society at large. Each side charges the other side as wrong. Which side I choose? The one where my money runs long. I've lived in a socialist economy, and it ain't all that it's cracked up to be. I'll take capitalism for me, with nobody trying to limit me. In the meantime, government bodies in socialist economies living the high life. But this ain't for you and your wife and kids. It's just for them. Then they seek to be reelected again. In re-elections that's rigged from the get-go, because they're out to get the dough and limit your cash flow. And then they argue, this is fair. All you commoners are getting paid the same. But what if average is not what you're trying to attain? One good thing about America is high economic gain. I'm not a socialist. Here in America, you can come up, work from sundown to sun up. One of my favorite vocabulary words is profit, equivalating to more De Niro in your pocket. In a socialist country, they try to stop it because you can't get too big. Here in America, kids say they want to be anything because there's a reality in attaining it with wit and hard work. Take advantage of the perks of this economic model. Advice from renowned business gurus here can be followed. Buckle up your bootstraps and don't be capped on your net monetary. To me, it sounds scary. I'm not a socialist.